Lab 11. I want you to think about from the backward. Only one method is given. GCD. GCD in the shellcode, it does not show what's GCD. But if I show you this GCD. For the GCD, you can search it or you can use this code. So you don't really have to understand this one, this concept, because it's a kind of hard to drive. If I just explain that when you pass A and B, if B is A is divisible by B, you can just say B is the GCD. Then, if B is not GCD, greatest common denominator, you are going to pass B first. Now you are going to try B divided by A module B. That means when you do A divided by B, the remainder. If you plug in some set of numbers like 4 and 6, 2 and 4, you will figure it out. But other three, you can do it by yourself. I highly recommend you do it by yourself. So here, power, base, and exponent. If we use the sample, how about if I use 2 to the fourth power, for example, that means the base is 2, exponent is 4. I can say this is 2 to the third power times 2. That means 2 to the third power, you can say power 2 to the third power. So 2 to the fourth power is power 2, 4. So power 2, 4 is power 2, 3 times 2. So you probably will change only exponent when you call the recursive. Then base case will be 2 to the first power is itself. And exponent is 1, you are going to return base. Factorial is also almost the same. For example, 5 factorial means 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. We can say 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 as 4 factorial. So 5 factorial is 4 factorial times 5. So we can rewrite n factorial is n minus 1 factorial times n. So this is a recursive case. Then basic case will be when you get 1 factorial, you can just return 1. Fibonacci sequence. First it starts from 1 and 1. Then from the third term, you are going to add the previous 2 terms, so 1 plus 1. Then 1 plus 2, 2 plus 3, 3 plus 5. This is the Fibonacci sequence. So I can say the recursive is Fibonacci n minus 1, Fibonacci n is Fibonacci n minus 1 plus Fibonacci n minus 2. Like guess something we did. In this case, you need one previous and one more the previous. So starts from 2, you need previous 2 terms. Then the second term, you cannot calculate that. So in this case, the basic case will be n is 1 or 2. So first term, second term should be given. Then third term you can calculate.